Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a time limit for interaction control on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. So I'm just going to cancel that and then tap on the home key. Okay, once you are back on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button, then tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, go down and tap on interaction control, then tap on interaction control shortcut. At the top, make sure it is switch on, and then tap on turn off. Now down here, choose a shortcut that you would like to use, so you can choose either one or both of them. Once they are activated, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now open up an app that you would like to lock. So I'm going to open up YouTube, and in YouTube, I'm going to open up my interaction control. So before you turn on interaction control, you can first play a video, and then using the side shortcut, so I'm going to press on the volume up plus the side button, both key at the same time, and then I'm going to choose interaction control. Now before you tap on the done button, tap on the options at the top here and tap on time limit, and in here choose a time that you want to block an area of the screen or blocking the whole screen. So in this video, I'm going to choose say 1 minute and then tap on done. So I have a time limit of 1 minute, and I'm going to tap on the back key. Then in here you can choose which part of the screen that you want to block, whether you want to block just part of the screen or you want to block the whole entire screen, and then tap on done, and that's it. So interaction control is now turned on for 1 minute. After that, it will deactivate and put your phone back to the lock screen, and then after that you need to log back into your screen in order for you to use the phone again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'm just going to wait for the timer to count down, and then we're going to see what happens when the 1 minute is up, and you can see what's going to happen. So I think it's only a few more seconds to go. If you can just wait for a few more seconds, we can see that interaction control will automatically turn off, and then it should go to, so here interaction control is deactivated. So in this case, I would assume after deactivation it would go to the lock screen, but it's not. It's just simply remove the interaction control. So you can see here, if I go into interaction control and if I turn it on, normally if I deactivate the interaction control, it would go directly to the lock screen. But if you're setting on a timer, then it will simply just deactivate the interaction control without going back to the lock screen. And so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.